Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Really appreciate you being here for my tip of the day. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, I really appreciate if you can click that subscribe button below, like the video, and even better, if you can leave some comments, that would be absolutely amazing. What I'd love from you is, because I'm doing a tip of the day every single day, if you've got any ideas or anything you'd like to add to the tip of the day series, just drop them in comments below. I'd absolutely love to explore that part of whatever struggle you go through, okay? I'll research it and I'll add it to my series. So today's tip of the day is only going to be a short one, okay? But it's about Instagram and the reach on Instagram, because it's been quite temperamental, I feel, for some time, for many people. Not all, but for some people. And the one thing that seems to have worked for me at the time of recording this, now I know the algorithms and everything changes on a regular basis on social media, so you do have to keep up to speed with things. However, right now, what I've discovered is I'm going to pop it up on the screen here for you, and it's basically adding a location to your settings. So when you create it, I know you probably can't read this, but I'm going to pop it up on the screen here for you. When you add a location to your settings, before you post any video on Instagram, it's helped massively for my reach. And I've not got a big Instagram account at all, but this does make a big difference to my reach. So I add a location. I've been turning off the share to Facebook button. Okay, now that has also helped. Now I know it's not always convenient, because it's good to have that option. You can still do it for some videos, but I'm not doing it for all. I maybe do it for one a day, maybe one every couple of days to share to Facebook. The rest I'm just leaving on Instagram. If you want to do more on Facebook, then go directly to Facebook and post directly on there. That would be my tip at the moment. It seems to be working this way. Okay, so if you go to your Instagram account and try that. Also, another little tip that I've discovered is the more options. Again, it'll pop up on the screen here for you. If you click on more options, that'll bring you across to many different selections that you can choose. But if you make sure that the upload at highest quality is on, okay, that's another thing that's been working well. So 3 things really. You want to be making sure you select a location, right? That's worked massively. That's probably the biggest thing. Upload with best quality and turn off the share to Facebook. 3 simple things that you can do for your Instagram posts that seem to be working really well at the moment. All right, guys, so I hope that helps. Very short, quick tip of the day today. But like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've got any ideas of what you want me to add to this series. Until next time, guys, I'll see you soon. Take care. God bless.